They did everything that we asked for and more. The process was just wonderful with everything that they did from beginning to the end. Constant communication. Loved the communication. I would say that was superb. Anytime there was any questions or concerns, the questions were answered within 5 minutes.
The only snag was that the shower door was broken when it was sent by Lowe's, but Blessed Homes was able to get us a new one within the next day or so. So it really wasn't any problem at all, actually.
Any messes that they had, they cleaned everything up, they put everything away. They made sure that we were not inconvenienced at all. We appreciated wanting to get the job done where it looked perfect. It was a wonderful experience. We absolutely would use Blessed Homes again.